Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware and service. Make sure your phone supports 4G and the SIM has an active data plan. Once done, install the 4G Switcher app and grant location, network, and phone permissions so the app can evaluate connections. Next, open the app, sign in or create an account, and enable auto scan to detect nearby networks. This gets the app ready to analyze signal, latency, and carrier options before you switch. Once scans populate, you compare numeric readings like RSSI and RSRP plus latency to judge quality. Then pick the target carrier and tap test to run a full speed and stability check. This verifies download/upload throughput and jitter. If performance is acceptable, make sure to adjust advanced options, set a preferred band, toggle roaming if needed, and reorder connection priority. Because these settings determine how you complete the process by tapping switch to apply the selected network. Watch the status indicator until it confirms a successful connection and validate by browsing. If the switch fails, first toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios, then restart the app and retry. Make sure to check logs in settings for error codes. If problems persist, capture test timestamps and sent/received metrics. Then contact support with that information so they can troubleshoot more quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.